Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn why anger is an unwanted feeling and why you need to control it. Let's get started. Bobo Bear was short-tempered. He did not have control over his anger. Because of this, Bobo scolded his friends constantly. His friends got fed up and stopped talking to him. Bobo became lonely and unhappy. Bobo's mom noticed this. She taught him certain mindful exercises to control his anger. Bobo practiced them. After a few days, Bobo is a changed person. He doesn't get angered easily. Bobo apologized to his friends. They all enjoyed being friends once again. That brings us to the end of this story. You have learned. You will lose your friends if you do not control your anger. You can control anger through mindful exercises. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.